Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday morning. I woke up and I was 65.3, exactly the same as the day before. So I didn't lose, I didn't gain, I maintained my weight. Let's look at yesterday's data to see why this happened. So I woke up after an insomnia and I was tired. I had multiple black coffees, decaf. I then broke my fast at 10:15 a.m. So an overnight fast of 17 hours. I had a protein shake, protein smoothie. I did not put any soy milk in it just to see if it would be easier to drink. It was not as thick. So in the future, I think I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. It will take off a few grams of protein, but it's okay. So after later on, I walked to go to the gym.
The thing about my walks, I am carrying a backpack. Obviously, I have everything that I need for the gym. I have my shoes, I have my bottle of water, 1 liter. I have my towel, everything. But it's mostly that when you lose weight, and I lost about 4.9 kilos, so let's say 5 kilos in 36 days. Like that's a big amount of weight that you don't have anymore on your body. And so when you walk the same amount of steps, the same path, you're not necessarily working as hard as you did in the beginning. And so by adding weight to your backpack, you just keep your body used to carrying a bigger charge, a bigger weight. And so I wouldn't do that for jogging, obviously, because my knees, but for walking, it's pretty good to be used to being able to walk and carry a load. So the more I'm going to lose weight, the more I'm going to add weight to my backpack.
I had an apple, a little break, had water, apple, it was pretty warm, and I felt like just resting a little bit. The gym was open yesterday. I worked upper body. I did upper body. On a scale to 0 to 10, it's probably 4 on 10 in terms of intensity. Upper body is not really my hardest workout, and I know that on upper body days I should probably add cardio just to make the workout a little more athletic. My last meal was at 5:30 and I finished eating at 6. I had a carrot soup to start with, then the other meal that I prepped, which was the tofu, green peas and basmati rice. I finished with crackers and blue cheese and a square of dark chocolate with little bits of confit oranges. I'm not a big fan of that chocolate. It's nice, but it's not my favorite, and that's why after a square I was happy to stop there. That's a strategy that I use when I'm trying to lose weight. I don't want to have the whole chocolate bar, so I just have a little bit of a chocolate that I like, that I don't love, and that way I'm not tempted to have too much. So in terms of data, I have fasted for 17 hours. I walked 23,260 steps, that's 16.6 kilometers. I ate 1,433 calories, 92.6 grams of protein. Overall, a very good day. Fitness-wise, diet-wise, whatever you want to call it, it was a very good day, and this could have resulted in a loss on the scale. But it doesn't always happen. And when you see that it doesn't happen one day, please don't get discouraged. Sure, we want to see a loss every day, but it doesn't work like this. Fitness and dieting doesn't work that way. If I see it for a few weeks in a row, it's the same weight, then I will know that I'm in a plateau. At the moment, this is not a plateau, it's just a day, literally, and my fat cells just engorge with water. It doesn't mean that I didn't lose weight, it just means that I weighed on the scale the same amount as the day before, and I'm definitely not going to be annoyed by this. This is the least of my worries, because I know at the end of the week that I'll be lighter. I will see it, and I will show you. It is not at all where you need to start getting discouraged. I'm still gonna have chocolate, and maybe I shouldn't because I need to lose something tomorrow. No, I won't have chocolate tonight. I'll have chocolate tonight, and not the orange confit dark chocolate. I'll have something that I like. So I will see you tomorrow. Take care.